Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 routine, or if you're a student, homemaker, or just someone looking for extra income, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can earn money online using digital marketing, all from the comfort of your home, just with a laptop and internet connection. And don't worry if you're a complete beginner, I'll explain everything step by step, in simple language, so you can actually get started after watching this video. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing is just a fancy word for promoting products or services online. Instead of traditional ads on TV or newspapers, businesses now use social media, Google, emails, and websites to reach people. And the best part? Almost all of this work can be done online, which means you can do it from anywhere, even your bedroom. Now let's talk about the exciting part, how you can earn money from home using digital marketing. I'll share some of the most popular options. First, social media management. Businesses need someone to handle their Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn pages. You can create posts, reply to comments, and help them grow online. Tools like Canva make designing posts super easy, no design degree needed. Second, content writing and blogging. If you love writing, this is perfect. You can write blogs, website content, or even product descriptions. Businesses are ready to pay for good content. For example, one blog post can easily earn you $7 to $15, depending on quality. Third is SEO, helping websites rank higher on Google. It sounds technical, but basic SEO is actually quite easy once you learn. Things like keyword research, writing optimized content, and improving website speed are in demand. Next up, affiliate marketing. This means promoting other people's products and earning a commission every time someone buys through your link. Amazon, ClickBank, and many other platforms offer affiliate programs. It's a great way to build passive income, but it does take time and effort to build an audience. Another option is email marketing. Businesses need help creating newsletters, product offers, or customer updates. You just need to write engaging emails and send them through tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. If you want to go advanced, you can also run Facebook or Google ads for businesses. Every business wants more customers, so they spend money on ads, and they need skilled people to manage those ads. This one pays really well once you get some experience. And finally, YouTube and video marketing. You can help businesses with editing, posting, or optimizing their videos. Or even better, start your own YouTube channel, just like I'm doing right now. Now you might be thinking, do I need to be an expert? The answer is no. Here are some basic skills you should start learning. Good communication and writing. Basic design skills with Canva. Learning digital tools like Google Analytics, MailChimp, or Meta Ads. The best part? You can learn most of this for free. Okay, so where do you actually find work? Freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have thousands of digital marketing jobs. Job boards like LinkedIn and Internshala often post remote digital marketing roles. You can also directly message small businesses, like your local gym or bakery, and offer to manage their online presence. Start small, even with free projects, build your portfolio, and then start charging. Now the big question, how much can you actually earn? If you're a complete beginner, you can start making around $200 to $400 per month. As you get skilled, it can easily go up to $600 to $1,200 per month, sometimes even more, depending on your clients. And with affiliate marketing or YouTube, the sky's the limit. It depends on your consistency and effort. So to sum it up, digital marketing is one of the best ways to earn money online while working from home. Pick one skill, practice it, start small, and keep improving. Don't try to do everything at once. If you're consistent, within a few months you can build a strong online career for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments which digital marketing option you're most excited to try.